So, hello and welcome to this little tutorial. We're going to show you, the parents of the grade 3 students, how to use our platform Showbie. So at parent-teacher interviews, you were given a parent code. So you will have access, you can sign into Showbie that way. Once you connect, it'll bring you to this page. So you will only see what the teacher has given you access to. So you should have access to the weekly plan de travail, the homework, and to the 301 work group in case we ever go distance learning again. So when you click plan de travail, this is the homework. So every week, there's going to be a new plan de travail. You click the class like I just did. You click the folder here and then you choose whichever date it is. The date is here. You won't see this. I see all the students. You will see your child's page with this link. When you click the link, it'll bring you to the weekly plan de travail. So here, as we've explained, it's all the lessons, the videos, and all the lessons for the week, as well as a parent corner if you ever have any information. When you go back to the home page and you click 301, here you have all the folders that the children work in every day. So if we ever go distance teaching, work will be put into each individual folder depending on what happens to be on the schedule. So for example, when we do center work or les ateliers, they are here. You can search by week. So just say we're March 22nd. And then you have all the work that the students will need to complete for the week by Friday. If ever we go distance teaching, again, distance learning, it will be in plan de travail and each class has their own folder. So you will go to 301, that is us, and then you will find all the information. You'll find the Zoom codes, you'll find the work week, the schedule, I mean, the independent work. And if ever you or your child have questions and we're not on Zoom with them, they can post in here. The last important thing about Showbie, just say we go here with one student, is the portfolio, or in French, the porte-document. This is where corrected work will be placed, and you'll not only be able to see your child's work, but also the evaluation grid. So for example, here, the student made his multimedia collage, so you can see your child's work, and then you can see the rubric that was used to grade. So not only do you see your child's work, but you see the grade as well. If ever there's a presentation, there will be a video recorded and posted in here as well, so you will be able to see. So everything is here for you. All you have to do is explore it a bit, and that's how you use Showbie for grade 3.